right, NMC, this is the video to find the winner of tonight's break number 7, which is the 1960 Topps box of 5 cards. So we'll check the time here, July 31st at 7:26 p.m. I'm going to go over to the break and type live. And we have July 31st at 7:26 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Corey. Spot 5 is your winner. So Corey, whatever we opened in break number 7 tonight, those are yours. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, July 31st, 7:27 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.